the new LUMIX G7. The one introducing 4K to everyone. Latest 4K processing and mirrorless technology in a compact and intuitive design, providing touch focus technology with the latest high-speed autofocusing, recording video in stunning 4K resolution. And now with the new 4K photo, you can extract, show and save the perfect frame out of a 4K video sequence easily on the camera. Never miss a perfect moment. The new LUMIX G7, the one introducing 4K to everyone.
We at Canon are proud to announce the release of the official version of our EOS webcam utility software for Windows. Now let's learn how you can turn your compatible Canon EOS camera into your main webcam using only a USB cable. What's up everyone, I'm Renato, Senior Pro Market Specialist for Canon USA. And in this video, I will show you how you can use your compatible Canon EOS camera as a high quality USB webcam for your online video conferencing and live streaming with a Windows computer. This video is divided into 3 parts. In part 1, we will learn how to install the software on your computer, how to set up the camera, and how to enable EOS webcam utility within your favorite application. In part 2, we will learn about the updates from the beta version, and in part 3, we will talk about our support materials and our online community, which may be helpful for you. So let's get started. Before we start, if you have the beta version of EOS webcam utility installed on your computer, be sure to uninstall it before proceeding. To begin, you will need to download the new software. Head over to our service and support page to download EOS webcam utility for Windows. The link to the page is provided in the description below. If you are based outside the United States, please visit the Canon support website for your local region. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and double-click on Setup. After installation, you will need to restart your computer. And don't forget to check out the included README files that are in the zip file. They will have some tips on how to get the most out of your experience with the software. Now let's get your camera ready. First, turn on your camera and place it in movie mode and set it to a full HD quality setting. Then adjust your exposure settings to your desired look. Once you've locked in your exposure, you can then connect the USB cable to the camera. Now the next step, connect the other end of your USB cable to one of your USB ports on your computer. From here, open your favorite video conferencing or streaming application and locate EOS webcam utility in your video settings. Select EOS webcam utility and you can now use your compatible Canon EOS camera as your dedicated webcam. But if you don't see your live feed and you do see any of the following error screens, please visit our website to learn more details to help troubleshoot. If you still need further technical support, head over to our support page for more assistance. As you can see, I'm currently using a traditional USB webcam as my video source. But once I switched over to EOS webcam utility, I am now using the Canon EOS RP as my new web streaming camera, offering a better looking image for all my online video meetings and live streaming.
And here's 5 reasons why. It's waterproof and shockproof. This is the TG6's bread and butter. This thing is designed to take a beating. In fact, it's waterproof up to 50 feet, although that can be extended to 147 feet if you use an underwater housing case. Regardless of whether you use that case, however, this camera is shock, crush, freeze, and dust proof, so you can be sure that it will keep shooting even if you're bashing it all around the place. It has underwater shooting modes. Due to its impressive waterproofing, this camera is a favorite with those who enjoy underwater photography and videography, and Olympus has even configured 5 unique underwater shooting modes to help you out. These consist of 3 white balance modes, a microscope mode for macro-style shooting, and an HDR mode for capturing shots the wide dynamic range. Managing light when shooting underwater can be really tricky, but these modes help you navigate it so you can focus on composition instead of tweaking settings. There are a bunch of other shooting modes too. Let's be clear, this is not just an underwater camera. The TG6 is stacked with impressive dry land specs thanks to its 12 megapixel sensor, f2 lens, and TruePic 8 image processor, which offers great low light performance. The TG6 also has something called Pro Capture, which uses burst shooting to help capture blink and you'd miss it moments. The HDR mode is awesome too, combining different exposures of multiple shots so your images are less likely to be dark or blown out. And then there's focus stacking, which allows greater flexibility over what's in and out of focus in your shots. It can shoot 4K video. Video fans, fear not. This camera is up to snuff when it comes to shooting resolution. The TG6 can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, as well as 120 frames per second slow-mo in full HD quality. The 4K shooting mode is particularly impressive when shooting underwater, as it helps capture the immense amount of detail on offer. You get stabilization thrown in too, which is another key asset when shooting underwater. It connects to your smartphone. Having to connect your camera to a computer to access recently taken holiday pics can be a bummer. The TG6, however, can connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, and with the OI Share app, you can easily view, download, edit, and share your content with the click of a button. This app even has remote shooting functions for when you need to be away from the camera, but still be in control.